Hi, Bob from Blackmagic here, InfoComm 2025, Blackmagic booth. We're talking about the SMPTE 2110 IP conversion. So we've made a few different products that we have now, so we're able to convert SMPTE 2110 IP into video and back and forth. And what we're able to do with some of these devices is we have one that does 2110 to HDMI, so you can get it to the back of an HDMI monitor. We have the new Ethernet switch that's Ethernet switch 360. It's a 16-port 10 gig switch with 200 gig options to add. We have the new IP 4x12G PWR. That actually will power 4 of our studio converters and convert them from 2110 into SDI. So you can run them into a switcher, but you have full control because you have SDI in and out. And we have our new bidirectional converters. We have our new presentation converter. We have lots of different IP to SDI and HDMI converters so that we're able to get people to migrate to SMPTE 2110 without abandoning their HDMI and SDI infrastructure. And all these products have more information on our website at blackmagicdesign.com.